Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the filter pane much more interesting. I'm not sure when this update was or this feature was introduced, maybe in September 2020 or October 2020. I have noticed just now while I was going through these options. And for that, first of all, I need to get some data. As I explained in my previous video that now October 2020 update has given a feature that you can actually download the sample data set directly from the interface. Not necessary that you need to ask somebody or you need to go to any website and get the data, but you can use that option from this feature, right? So let me click here so that it is asking me to get the data or download the data. I'm just loading the data. So the data is loaded. Now I want to visualize this data. Without creating any DAGs, I'm just moving forward because I wanted to show you how to deal with the filter pane options, more features what are available. So let me select the table and then just load the data. Now I wanted to actually create a visual, and then I wanted to add some filters into the filter pane to control the visual. Let it load, and then this is the data. Now I need to build visuals. That is what the new update has got, this notification feature. So there I am adding a column chart, or rather a bar chart. Now here I need to, in the axis I need to add the country. Then I wanted to add product. Product I'll add into the filter. Let me add gross sales. So this is the bar chart. Now I wanted to control this entire visual with a filter. So there are three types of filters are there in filter pane. One is visual level filter, and then page level and report level. And you can add as many filters you want. But one interesting thing you need to know here, that you can actually colorize or select a proper color for filter pane and the filter cards. We call them as filter cards. For that, let me show you. So I'm just selecting the page properties. So this is a global property. So it is not related to any visual. So because it is related to the filter pane, I'm just selecting the page. In the page properties, if I go down, there are two options are added. One is filter pane, another is filter cards. If I go to the filter pane, if I scroll down, there is a background color. So I want to give a specific color to this entire filter pane. Then I select this and then add a blue color so that it's very nice. And I'll add the font as white color so that they talk to each other in a proper manner. I can increase the size also if I wanted to have the size a little more. Then accordingly I can change the transparency and everything. But anyway, transparency for the background color. There I would like to add one filter. For example, if I would like to add product into the page filter, for example. Now this is actually coming as a white patch. I want this particular white card, we call it as card. This color need to be something different. For that, I'll go to the filter card, and then I will be selecting the option any other color, so that, and then change the font color to white. So that way you can make this thing very interesting. And now you have added some 5 to 6 filters. Then all the filter cards can be segregated with different colors so that you can manage the filter pane in a much better way. To get more updates, please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Please share with many, and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you very much.